Hey, it's Akajk and today I have another vlog on the channel. So guys, this is the continuation of yesterday's vlog. So if you haven't checked out yesterday's vlog already, I highly recommend you go and check it out. I'll leave a link in the cards above or in the description down below. You'll find it in one of those places. So anyway, yesterday, if you don't remember, I talked about the tickets and we weren't able to go and get them. Tickets for the Avengers Infinity War. We have a ton to buy. So if all goes well, we'll go and get them today. So that should be good. We have a ton of tickets to buy, so I'll take you guys with me and we'll go and buy them. But for right now, I'm going to spend the next couple of hours doing homework, so I can bring you guys with my sort of show you my process of how I do homework. If you want to see that, I'll try and make it interesting for you, and you can see the suffering that I have to do. Right guys, so I'm currently where I usually work, so it's on my desk setup. I'm sitting in front of my monitor. I've moved my keyboard sort of towards the end of the table, and then I've got my French notebook and French textbook here, and I'm doing some French homework. I mean, the French is pretty simple stuff. I usually am listening to the Guardians of the Galaxy Volume 1 and 2 soundtrack, so I'll leave that in the description down below if you'd like to check it out. I haven't been told to advertise it or something, but it's just a pretty sick soundtrack, so I'll leave a link in the description down below. And there are lots of other sort of music tracks that I do listen to while I'm working, but if I am listening to them, then I'll link them and show you what they are like. Anyway, I'm going to finish the French work soon, so yeah. Hooked on a feeling, I'm high, I believe it. First task completed. Okay fam, so we're going to go out and see if we can actually get the tickets for the cinema. So guys, let's go. Alright guys, so we're in the mall right now and we managed to get the 20 tickets for the cinema and all the 3D glasses. We actually got them at full price, so it cost around 100 reals, which translates to close to $300. So it's quite a hefty price. So yeah, thanks to my dad for getting them. And yeah, so there's 20 people. It's going to be IMAX. So obviously subscribers can't come, but I'll give you my thoughts on the day and all that kind of jazz. And it is going to be 3 days from now, I believe. Well, after 3 days it will be the thing. So yeah, I'll see you guys on home. Guys, so this is the amount of sort of cinema tickets, and so if you just look at the amount of glasses, 3D glasses that we bought, it sort of signifies or dignifies or something. It's just signals to the amount of tickets that we got. It's crazy. Honestly, it's just crazy. I think I said that 3 times now. But yeah, it's just crazy. Guys, tell me how legit this looks as a thumbnail. Okay? So maybe if I get the sort of part of the keyboard in, this is just behind the scenes of me taking a thumbnail because it looks pretty sick with this amount of tickets. So yeah, now all I need to do is show you the meme of the day. So for today's vlog, the meme of the day is sort of this funny, adorable clip of babies hugging each other and sort of patting each other on the back as if they've done a good job. They're like, "You done a good job, mate." And it's just like, honestly, just watch it. It just speaks for itself. So yeah, I'll try and link where I found these memes because obviously I don't want to be the kid that's taking all the credit for this stuff that's not mine. So I'll either leave a link to their sort of social media or where I found it or something like that. Try and credit them. If I didn't, then I'm sorry. So all my social medias will be linked down below. Subscribe, like this video, turn on notifications. You can check out some other vlogs and stay tuned for tomorrow's video, which is going to be next up on the channel, my boys. And so obviously next video tomorrow. Stay tuned for that, guys, because the grind is daily. So this just fell on my friend. And he looks happy. It's just so funny. Like, I saw it coming really slowly, but I decided not to tell him anything.